Grabing details nito, guys. Grabing pinag-isipan talaga siya. Parang grabe ka. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna make another video about shoes again. So, this new baby that I have, I ordered online, which I already told you from my previous video na meron akong unboxing again ng bagong shoes na galing sa online. Without further ado, let's open this baby. And this is the packaging. This is from Platypus. So yeah, this is a one-day delivery. I ordered it siguro yesterday ba? Yesterday or the other day. Yeah, the other day nighttime, and it was delivered just today. Remove this bag, this plastic bag, and I'm so excited. Tapos ang size nito is adult 6. Okay, so sa previous ko na Air Force, it's a junior size, which is 4Y. Tingnan natin, compare natin ang sizing niya sa adult versus junior as well, kung normal ba siya. Okay, so tadan! Boom! Vanessa. How nice is that? Let's begin opening this box for you guys. So it was, it is size 6 adult, but the same lang naman ang centimeter at saka UK size. It's 3.5 and 23 centimeters. So it is $200 size. I wanna cry. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Very excited. Nakita niyo na siya. Let's remove it from the box. Okay, guys. Shut up. So this is the Nike Air Force 1 Jester XX. Look how pretty is this. Like, it has a lot of surprises. The colors, the materials used, and the logo here, AF1, discoloration with this plastic something at color blue red. Then there's the laces, and wala siyang embroidered name dito sa kanyang tongue. It's just plain color. And surprisingly guys, I have a lot to show you on this shoe. Look, there is a tag, and hindi mo siya malalaman if mo siya i-search in between every detail na ginawa nila sa Nike. Look, the check, it's really indifferent, I must say. Charot. Tingnan nyo. Paano naging ganun ang check ni Nike? There's no pointed check, but there is another disalignment ng Nike logo here with a check and air, and there is a tag over here, and super duper gaan niya, guys. Mas magaan to kaysa sa previous ko na Air Force 1 na green. Look. What? So, to tell you the other parts of the shoes, there is this outer sole niya na ganitong design with the matching colors every corner of the sole. Look at it. Grabing details nito, guys. Grabing pinag-isipan talaga siya. Parang grabe ka whimsical, diba? Yung term, very like, parang fun looking and more colors, super girly. Tapos, pati ito may details pa din yung kanyang outer sole. And another one is, what surprises me more is this one. The inner sole of this shoe. Tadaan! Look how surprising it is. Like, meron siyang floral color with Nike logo inside. So, paano po malaman ng mga people kung hindi nyo siya like makita in person or i-emphasize ang buong shoe? Grabe ka-detailed niya. Diba? Cute siya, in fairness. Like, parang masyado kang social, ganon. Parang shoes pa lang. Wagi. Ganon. So, ang sabi dito, as upper material is leather synthetic, then the lining is non-leather, outsole non-leather. Yep. So, what can you say about this Jester Air Force 1? What can you say about this one? Is it pretty? So, we're gonna see if okay ba siya. So, let's gonna try it on carefully. Charot. Let's go! Grabe kaganda niya, guys, eh. Parang medyo malaki lang talaga siya tingnan sa paa ko. Kasi, tingnan nyo naman. Parang buto. Parang buto lang paa ko, guys. Parang masyado siyang big sa aking paa. Or masyado lang talaga siyang exaggerated sa paa ko. What do you think? Can you please tell me, guys, honestly, kung anong maganda sa akin paa? Tingnan nyo naman siya, masyado siyang big. Look at it. Ay, nako, guys. Do I look pretty on this dress? Yun na siya, guys. So, what can you say? Alam niyo, guys, habang suot ko siya ngayon, ay, ang init dito ngayon. So, yes. Okay, tingnan niyo siya. Masyado siyang malaki sa aking paa ba? Para ba siyang big badass sa aking paa? Masyado siyang malaki, besh. Fit lang naman siya, kaso lang pagtingin mo sa salamin, parang laki-laki niya sa akin. What? Yung sa gilid, parang laki-laki niya. So, I'm back. So, let's say the final verdict of the shoe. Well, for me, it's really comfortable. Very, maganda siya sa paa. Super gaan niya din talaga. I think it is a really big yes for me. Kasi it's really nice and fun-looking shoe. Para sa mga girls na mahilig sa mga ganitong klaseng parang medyo girlish-looking shoe at with floral pa. Pero hindi ko maintindihan bakit siya may floral pa dito sa loob ng sole niya. Na hindi naman siya masyadong makita. Siguro if you want to display this kind of baby or just keep it as and just want to look at it. Yeah, pero pag gusto mo siyang gamitin parati, kailangan mo siyang protection. Oh, tingnan nyo. Luwang. Parang dalawang kamay ko pa siguro kasi charot. Hindi naman. Pero, yun nga, medyo maluwang siya sa loob. Medyo spacious siya. So, parang feel comfy talaga ang feeling sa loob. Kaya lang, yun, medyo spacey. So, parang ma-feel nyo pa rin yung pag-move ng paa nyo with the shoe, yung gano'n. Yung parang, basta, yun ang explanation ko. Basta yun, ma-feel nyo yung shoe, yung paa nyo sa loob ng shoes na parang you can still move inside like a jogger, like that. So, yun na guys. Well, hindi talaga siya yung parang pinakagusto ko na kind na Air Force. Pero, it's really, really bet lalo. As in, promise you guys, it's really nice and very comfortable and adorable. If that's what you want to hear, I can say this million times. Swear to heaven, it's really adorable. And yeah, kahit sa kanyang laces, it's really, you know, pinag-isipan, binigyan talaga ng details in every corner of this shoe, like this, and this color like this, and this one like kind of parang gustong mag-exercise dito, parang yung gano'n na feeling, yung parang sleeper nga na parang merong mga dutot, tapos parang gustong that's all guys, and I really admire kung sino mang nagawa nito kasi it's really cute. But this one is color gray, okay? It's synthetic leather. Tapos, midsole niya has a foam inside with air spilling. Ganun. Para medyo, kuan pa rin siya. Medyo magaan. Tapos, it's a normal, original color and original Air Force 1 Jester. Ganito talaga siya. Meron talaga siyang detail na ganito with matching like this. Siguro ito, in-emphasize nila yung sole nito para bigyang color and life. Tapos, this one as well. This one is really pretty and yeah, matakot ka na itapak to sa lupa, diba? Paano? Charot, kung mayaman ka, magsikan lang buy ng mga Air Force, Air Max, whatever. Tapos, itapak niya sa lupa. Okay lang. Charot. Yun na guys. That's all for today. And I hope you like this video. Hope you thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. What can you say about this Air Max 1 Jester XX? So, kayo na rin nang mag-judge and comment below kung anong masisay nyo. Mga guys, kung bet nyo ba to? Hindi ko feel kung mga lalaki magsuot ng ganito, no? Hindi ko talaga sure kung gustuhin nila yan. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy your day today and yeah, enjoy the video as well, and I hope you really subscribe to my channel, hit like button and comment below for more suggestions and more shoes to come. I hope so, praying. Next time maybe I'm gonna show you the first shoe that I bought na parang nag-start talaga ako ma-in-love sa ganitong shoes na kind of. So, I really looking forward to it na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung shoes, guys. So, I hope makasalita ko ng super dami. Pero, ay, yun lang talaga ang masasay ko. So, those of you who wants like this kind of shoe, maybe you can purchase it online. Or maybe just try it on store para makita nyo ang detail talaga niya at saka kung bet lalo ba siya sa inyong taste. Alright, so that's it for today. And have a great weekend ahead because now it's Friday. I hope you watch the other videos that I made. It's all about shoes as well. So yeah, that's it guys. Bye. I hate to say bye, guys. Gusto ko magsalita. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and goodbye, guys.